Hi, this is Mr. Hewland, and I'm giving you hopefully quick instructions on how to access the Google Classroom. This is probably mainly for my Cohort B, because Cohort A, we will be going over this in class on Monday. Um, so to get to your Google Classroom, you need to be in your Google account, and I'm going to end up switching here. And in your Google account, you're going to go to the Classroom option. And you see I have a bunch of classes here. You probably have some on there, but you may or may not. Regardless, you go up to this upper right-hand area and the plus sign, create or join a class. And you are going to join a class. And at that point, you would enter your class code. So you would need to know the class code. It's available on my syllabus on the documents online, but I'll also show it to you right here. MF7OTYW. And I'm going to switch back to the other screen. And you would enter that class code right there. Hey, I can show it to you down here in the corner. And as soon as you do that, you will be into the class. And that would allow you access. So then that means when you go into your Google Classroom, you will see an Algebra 1 course. And here is that Algebra 1 course. And when you look at this, you're going to see the stream, which would be kind of a chronological list of the things that I have posted to there. You basically need one very, very important thing from my Google Classroom right now, and that is the lesson plans. The lesson plans will be found almost always at the top of the stream, which this is the screen that you would end up going to right away. It automatically brings you to that. And it's also found in classwork under the topics on the left, lesson plans and syllabus. So whether you're in classwork or whether you're in the stream, the lesson plans should be what you're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to click on lesson plans. And once you have the lesson plans, this is a spreadsheet that shows what we're doing each day of each week with the necessary resources and homeworks. On the bottom of this sheet, there are tabs for different weeks. So right now, this is the first week of school. As we move to the second week, you may have to move over to that tab, and then the next week to that tab. But most likely what I'll do is I'll try to arrange the spreadsheet so that it opens to the current week we're on. So for example, on Monday, over here, I give a brief description on what's going on with Cohort A. Cohort A is going to be getting an in-class introduction to the Google Classroom, but then also we're going to begin working on our ALEKS introduction and knowledge check. You'll find out what that is. Cohort B, we're going to wait for your ALEKS introduction until Thursday. And so Cohort B, what you can be doing is, you looking down here, it says Cohort B, while you're at home, watch the welcome video. I don't have that posted yet, but it will be. And then read the syllabus. So here's the syllabus. You can click on that. And then the syllabus is going to have some good information so you know what's coming up in the class. As you look through here, and you can do this on your own, there'll be things like supplies and all that other stuff, and I'll be going over that in the welcome video as well. Darn it, no, I lost where I was. Here we go. No, here we go. But also there's a homework assignment. It says both cohorts complete this assignment. And then you just click on that link and it's a Google form and it's your assignment for that day. So these lesson plans are always your main idea, your main go-to spot so that you know what's going on in class. That applies to parents and students. And they're always right there, either at the top or near the top of the stream, or under lesson plans and syllabus in the classwork part. Okay. So hopefully you can get into the Google Classroom, and hopefully you now know that on Google Classroom, you're looking for the lesson plans. I'll see you in class soon.